Do you want a complete, done for you business in a box? If so, stay with me because I have something super special for you. It's all coming up in my review of a vertical video income. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can promo successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can just skip ahead because, well, my jokes are really, really stale. And let's face it, I make dad jokes even though I'm not a dad. All I have is 3 cats, but no kids. But I still make my dad jokes and I like them, so there they are. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things: to review software and info products to make money online niche. And why is this such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Seriously. You haven't been around for a while, but I haven't forgotten you, okay? Nobody wants the crap. Nobody, okay? Stop with the crap. Seriously. Seriously. If you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like about it, I will give a tip. My hat's a part career. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz, she's a sweetheart. I can't get angry at Liz, you know? We used to be fellow New Yorkers. I don't live in New York anymore. I now live in a beautiful house in Pennsylvania. Bought the house because of my business that is really all thanks to all of you who watch my videos and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, go ahead and click subscribe. But it's really thanks to you. Anyway, I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified of dropping the videos, and let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the vertical video income stream. Now, this is from my friend at Fire Launchers. Basically, this is a complete done-for-you package where basically you're going to get an entire package of ready to customize video packages. Now, what's nice about this, as opposed to a lot of these other things that are similar, there's 2 things I really like about it. First and foremost, you're getting full PLR rights. What does that mean, PLR rights? That means you get to sell them, you can give them away, use them as a bonus, rebrand them, and make them into your own product. Whatever you want to do with them, you can do with them completely free of charge, no questions asked, okay? But you also, of course, can use them to actually sell these services to businesses. Now, basically what you're going to do with these is to create videos that local businesses or other businesses will want to use for their own businesses. And they're very, very easy to customize using PowerPoint. Now, when you pick it up from me, I do have a special custom bonus for you. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you my course on how to customize these things using completely free software. So you don't have to buy PowerPoint. If you don't have a copy of Microsoft Office, you can get it completely, totally for free, okay? And not have to spend a penny to make this work. Literally do it all completely for free. It takes a couple of minutes to customize these things. Plus, I'm gonna give you my list, my exclusive list of places to sell these things on. But I'm not done yet. I'm also going to give you something even better. I'm also going to give you a set of 300 logos that you can customize, as well as where to customize them completely for free. Now, why am I doing that? Because when you sell these things, a lot of times people are going to ask you for what's called vertical services, where people will say, hey, you know what? I need a good logo. Can you make one for me? And so you're going to have the ability to actually make people a custom logo. You have 300 options available to customize automatically as you see fit. Just use them, and you get to charge extra money for that, okay? It's a very, very simple stuff. But I'm not done yet. I'm gonna do one better for you. I'm also gonna give you my video on what I call an offer versus a commodity. This is super important. This is probably the most important thing I've ever learned when it comes to marketing, is the difference between an offer and a commodity. If you make an offer, you're going to make money. You make a commodity, you make no money. Okay, right now, what you're going to buy from when you pick up vertical video from anybody else is going to be a commodity because other people have the same thing. You pick it up from me, you're getting an offer that you can make unique. And I'm going to tell you exactly how that's going to work and why it works so well. It's in this video that I'm going to give you. But I'm still not done yet. I'm also going to give you a set of ready to customize video intros. So if you saw the video intro that I have at the beginning of my video, if you didn't, you can go back and take a look, but you don't have to. You'll see them a lot on YouTube. I regularly make 25 bucks a piece for these things. Okay, and it literally takes about 30 seconds to customize it. You basically take somebody's logo, stick it in there, and click a couple of buttons, and you're done. And you can sell those as well. You're going to get 10 of those ready to roll that are going to be included with the same package. Pick up any upgrade to the vertical video income stream. And I'm also going to give you a set of templates you can actually customize. Basically, what these templates are going to do for you is that you're not going to just be able to customize videos. You're going to get videos also, but you're also going to be able to get other stuff. You're going to be able to customize product markups. Like right now on the screen in front of you, you can see this thing. So you can see you're going to have product markups similar to this. You can customize with free software. I'll tell you where the free software is that you can use completely, totally for free. It works on any computer. As long as it's got internet, you can use it on any computer. Even, I think it even works on an iPad or a phone. I've never tried it on iPad or phone. I assume it probably would work. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. It's a website that you can use to do it completely for free. You're also going to get markups for YouTube, for Instagram, all kinds of stuff that you can customize completely, totally for free. Pick up any 2 upgrades. And in addition to all of that, I'm also going to give you a set of 2,500 video clips that you can actually use to customize content for people so you can actually make custom videos. And again, I will also give you my training on how to use free software to customize these things. So you can literally do everything completely for free. You don't spend any money whatsoever. Just buy this thing from me, pick it up with a basic package, and I'm going to give you all the stuff that I mentioned to you. You're going to get my 300 logo templates. You're going to get my video intro templates. You're going to get my course on how to do this with completely free software. Plus, you're going to get my course on a funnel, on an offer versus a commodity. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you the additional set of templates where you're going to get more content that you can sell for free. Pick up any 2 upgrades. I'm going to give you a set of video clips that you can actually use for customizing content as well. Again, I'm going to show you how to do it completely for free as well. So let's check out the members area real quick. You can see here, it's all ready to download for you. It comes with everything included, the video, the sales page, the training guide, the graphics, everything is included. You simply download the whole thing and you can actually start selling this stuff as your own. Of course, when you pick it up from me, I'm also going to give you my guide to where to sell this stuff so you can actually make money off of it right away from day one without having to put in any additional effort. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip match to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. I really do like this. I think it's great. And this is probably my personal favorite way of making money online because it works plain and simple. It does the job. You don't have to have a list. You don't have to work hard and do crazy stuff in order to build a list. This is the kind of stuff that you can make money right away, even if you're a newbie. Grab this one, you're going to love it.